Mark Deering here from Remax. We've got another brand new listing for you. We are in the heart of Zeeland. This is an awesome location. Check out this brick ranch. All kinds of new updates on the inside. Let's come in and check it out. All right, let's jump in and take a look around. So right when you walk in, you've got a really good sized living room here. Now they do have oversized furniture and a lot of it, but there's still good space here, just to give you an idea. And that's got to at least be a 65-inch TV and 3 big size pieces of furniture. And then you walk in through the dining area into the kitchen. Kitchen has nice gray painted cabinets, nice countertop. Look at that flooring that's been replaced. That's the trendy look that everybody's going after. Nice tile black backsplash, I can't say it today. And you do have stainless steel appliances with a black fridge. It just has a really good trendy feel in here. All right, as we walk through, not only is the decorating in really good condition and up to date and trendy, but these owners have really taken care of everything. You've got updated windows, updated mechanicals, like I say, freshly decorated. This is gonna be the primary bedroom. That is probably a queen size bed. And as you can see, there's at least 6 feet on the one side and plenty of room for big dressers and TVs. Walking from the primary down the hall, you've got some built-in cabinets. And then you've got the full bath with a nice hard surface sunk-in sink. Nice high level too, I like those higher level ones. But this is all brand new walk-in shower. And the second bedroom is going to be used as kind of their office. They're just kind of hangout sitting room. But this is also good size, probably in that 12 by 12 range, if I had to guess. Good size room. So that pretty much sums up the first level. Let's go downstairs. Ooh, before we go to the basement, I forgot about this fun little spot over here. Check out this 3-season room. Yes, check out this little room here. This is right between the garage and the home. It could be used as a sitting room, little breezeway. If you didn't need this space for that, you could turn it into a big mud room, whatever you'd like. But this is a cool, cozy room, which then leads you right out to the deck out back, which we will show you that here in a minute too. All right, so now we're gonna leave the breezeway and head out to this giant backyard. Look at this, guys. You've got a nice little covered deck area. And as you'll see, big giant yard. Fun for family, fun for just privacy, anything you'd like. All right, heading down to the lower level. You know, as soon as you get down, you've got a ton of storage. We usually don't show storage spaces, but this does, you do have to walk through a storage area to get to the finish. So we're kind of just show you around a little bit. Lots of storage. You could set up little craft rooms, and you could set up pretty much another office, whatever you'd like. Lots of space down here before you get to the rec room in the lower level. I'll call it rec room, but it could be office, hangout area, man cave, she cave, whatever you want to do. There's a lot of space down here, as you'll see, and it's nice and cozy. All right, so that wraps up your tour of the Zeeland home. We are literally 5 blocks from everything, 5 blocks from downtown, the main strip. You're 2 minutes from the highway for a quick commute. This place is a cute little place. Come check it out.